Hey guys, what's up? It's Mimi. So today's video is going to be a full face of makeup under $35. I have all of my products right here in these two little cups. This video is going to be a full face of makeup plus a first impressions video, which I haven't done before, so I'm excited about that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you do, and subscribe to my channel down below so you don't miss out on any new videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays. And without further ado, let's zoom in and start this video. Now that we're all zoomed in, let's start off with a primer. If you guys notice, I'm going to be looking over in this corner just a little bit because I have my mirror over here. I'll try to move it so it's like not in the frame, but also where I could see it. I'm not looking away from camera the whole time. But the first product I'm going to use is this AOA Studio Wonder Skin Poreless Primer. So this was $1, and let's just open it up. So I opened up all these products beforehand just because I knew I was going to struggle with packaging, and let me tell you, I did. I struggled with this eyeliner that you'll see later on in the video for a solid 2 minutes straight because I could not get it out of the package. So I had to do that beforehand or else everything would still be in this package. I haven't swatched anything, I haven't touched anything except for like the eyebrow pencil, concealer, and some other things, but most things I haven't tried before. So let's just stop rambling and get on into this. Okay, back to the primer. As I said before, this is $1. It smells pretty good. Feels a bit like tacky. Well, no. It makes my skin feel kind of tight, I want to say, but it's definitely not bad. It's supposed to blur pores, so let's need this. So let's see if it actually minimizes pores, which I mainly just have pores like right on my nose. That's pretty much it. So let's see if this makes a difference in my makeup today. It smells really good. I really wasn't expecting that. I really wasn't expecting it to smell as good as it does. It's kind of perfumey, but it's not super strong. And yeah. Okay, so far I like this primer. And then my foundation that I'm going to use today is from Wet n Wild. On the back it says it's medium to full coverage, lightweight satin matte finish. So let's see if that's true or not. I got the shade Fair Light, which in the bottle looks really dark, so I don't know if it's gonna match my skin tone or not, but this is like the second lightest shade that they had, because I definitely didn't think I was gonna be fair, because I'm usually not fair. I'm usually fair light or light medium, somewhere in between that range depending on how tan I am, and right now I'm not very tan, so I thought this would work. So let's see if it does. This was, I'm not 100% sure, it's either $4 or $5. On my Wet n Wild receipt, it doesn't say numbers, it says locations and something else, so it doesn't actually say what it is. But I just have my damp beauty sponge here, that's also from Shop Miss A, but this is my old one, so let's just see. Ooh, that's dark. I don't know if you can see that, but that's pretty dark, so let's dot a little bit on my face. Hopefully. Okay, it looks a bit, maybe I should shake it? Because it looks really dark up on my cheeks, but it looks really light on my forehead. And now let's speed up and blend this into my face and see what it looks like. Okay, so that is one layer of foundation on my skin. So it blended out pretty nicely. It definitely matches my skin tone better than I thought it would be. So for reference, the shade I usually use from CoverGirl is 832 Nude Beige, and this one's a bit light right now, so I'd probably go like a shade or two higher, but like these don't look like they should be in the same shade range for some reason. So and then in Maybelline I am usually like 125 or 130 in the Fit Me Matte and Poreless. So if for any reference out there, if you are like super light skin, I don't think the Fair is going to be as light as it should be for somebody, so just a warning on that. This has 1 fluid ounce of product, which is kind of normal for a foundation, and with 1 light coat of foundation. I would say it's like medium light coverage. So let's see what a second layer does to my skin. That is a second layer of foundation on my skin. I'd say it looks pretty good. I still have a bit of redness that comes through here, but that's like with all foundation, it kind of just comes through. So it's not bad. I kind of like it. I think this might be my new foundation if I could find it in stores. It is a bit hard because I don't think Wet n Wild sells anything in locations near me, so I did have to order this from online. And I think I paid the normal $5 for shipping, which isn't like too bad. So if I place another order on Wet n Wild, like it's definitely worth it. I definitely like this product, and it's not drying weird or anything. Let's see. On camera it looks like my foundation color, so hopefully it stays that way. And then for my concealer today, I'm going to use this e.l.f. product. This is in shade Fair, and I did use this product before because I am running out of my current concealer, so I have been testing this out. And this is definitely not fair, so if you are my skin tone, I would recommend this for you, but if you are any lighter skin, this is just going to be way too dark for you, because I'll put this on and you'll see. Like, it is light, but it's not like, I like my concealers a bit lighter for brightening underneath my eyes, but this will do. I don't have the worst under eye bags ever, so it does cover a lot for me. On camera it looks like it's brightening a lot, but in person it doesn't really look like it. It might just because of my ring light setup and stuff like that, but on camera it looks really good. In person it looks like okay. It doesn't look like it highlighted that much for me, but it. So for my next product, I'm going to be using another AOA Studios. I'm going to be using this setting powder in the shade Matte Translucent. This has 0.25 ounces of product in it, so I don't really bake that much, but I just do a tiny bit underneath my eyes and set that in place. But I feel like if I do too much, it just gets really dry underneath my eyes, and I just don't like it that much. So I just do a tiny bit, I literally just dust it off. And then I take a tiny bit and tap off the excess, and I'm just gonna set the rest of my face with that, because it's $1. I don't know if I said that, but this is $1. It's from it's the AOA Studios one, so it is $1. So now my face is set. I'm gonna go into bronzer and blush. So I didn't find one online that I liked, and also I don't really use blush that much because my face is naturally red. So I went to the drugstore and I found this e.l.f. palette, which was $5. So it picks up quite some powder. I don't know if you can see that, but let's just contour and bronze with that. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, I like that. Okay, so there is the blush. That actually looks really nice. I really do like this. And then let's just do the blush while we're at it. Ooh, okay. This might be a bit shimmery, which isn't my favorite, but let's just see. I don't really know. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera or not what it looks like. I think it looks nice, but I'm just not 100% sure what I feel about it yet. So that is the blush and bronzer slash contour. So that was $5. And then the last thing for my face, I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild highlighting powder in the shade Sweetest Bling. It is a limited edition one, so I don't know if it's still for sale or not. I got it when it was on sale for $2.50. Gosh, why do I do this to myself? It has it's a pink highlighter and then more champagne-y one in the center. I don't know if I said this, but it's Sweetest Bling and costed $2.50 from Wet n Wild. Where did I put it? Oh, it's right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna swirl it all together and put it on my face. Ooh, it's pretty on the brush, so let's see. Ooh. 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 God damn. Okay. Okay, I see you, Wet n Wild. I see you with this highlighter. I really enjoyed this. This is I don't even know what to say. I really like this. I think this is more blinding than my Becca Champagne Pop, and that one was expensive. So this is a good alternative if you're looking for something on a budget. Go to Wet n Wild or shop online, paying the $5 shipping. It's totally worth it. Like, I can't stop looking at this highlighter in the viewfinder right here. It just looks so good. Okay, I gotta stop talking about the highlighter now, and let's go into brows. I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. brow pencil. I did a whole video about comparing the e.l.f. one and the Anastasia brow pencils. So if you want to go watch that video, I'll link it down below for you guys. But this brow pencil is, I bought it for $3 in stores, but you can buy it online for $2. The only thing about this is they only have 3 options right now for colors, and I got it in deep brown, which is pretty much black, and they have 2 other ones which are a bit lighter. I think they have light brown and like a taupe color, but I'm not 100% sure on that. But let's just get my eyebrows done. That is my brows. And now let's go on to the eye makeup look, which I am super excited for. So this is the palette that I got. I got it in the shade Not Just a Basic Peach. They have four different options online. The other one that I really like is the rose one. I forget the full name, but it's pretty much like berry, I don't know what to call it, but a berry color shade thingamabob, or but I have a lot of colors like that. I just got a Morphe palette which has those colors in it, so I thought that I should do something different. And this blue down here really stood out to me, so I really wanted to use that in a look today. But this was from Wet n Wild, and it was $5. Just do cute little makeup look with this. But first, I want to swatch a few. I definitely want to swatch this blue. Ooh, that's kind of nice. That's kind of creamy, actually. So that's the blue. That is vibrant. Let's just... Okay, so it's not as pigmented on my hand as I thought it would be. It's still really pretty, but it's not what I was expecting. Let's do the shimmer shade right down here. Ooh, that one's nice. Okay, yeah. So that's the peachy color. It's definitely more vibrant than the blue. The blue's more matte, and from what I understand about making shadows, mattes are a bit harder than shimmers. And let's do this gold shade, which is also another shimmer. Yeah, look at that. Just swatch that. Oh gosh, wow. I'm like really surprised for $5 you can get a palette this good. So let's just start this little makeup tutorial. I'm gonna go into this transition shade. It's also labeled transition up here. I'm just gonna set my eyes with this all up to my brow bone, that down, and then I'm going to go into this orangey shade right here, and I'm going to focus that more on my crease. I'm going to go into, let's go into this pink shade that's right next to it. I'm going to focus that more on the outer corners of my eye. That's really pretty so far. I'm just going to darken it up with this other transition color down here. It's more of a burnt orange, I want to say. And I'm going to just darken up the outer corner just a little bit. Before I continue with this, I'm just going to blend out my eyeshadow just a little bit, just because it's a bit intense, and that's not what I'm going for today. That's not the brush I want. For my lid, I think I'm going to go into this shade that I swatched earlier because it's super pretty. So let's see. Okay, a brush isn't working. I'm just going to use my finger and apply that to my lid. And I'm just going to take my blending brush again, and I'm just going to blend this together a little bit. So far, this palette is actually like pretty good for $5. Like, you can't go wrong with a $5 palette. And then for liner, I have this Wet n Wild Mega Slim Skinny Tip eyeliner, which, if you can tell from the title, Skinny Tip eyeliner, is a very small pencil. I have been using this recently just because I've been using liquid eyeliner to do my winged, and I haven't been using felt that often, so I had to test it and make sure that I could actually do it. Also, since I've been testing this out, I've realized that even though it's super skinny, it's really hard to get like a nice tip on my wings. So I think with the more practice I get, the better I'll get. So if you're really good at felt liner and you want a really, really thin one, I would recommend this one. This was $5 as well. And let's just do this wing eyeliner real fast. I hope those look even. If they're not, it's fine. They're usually uneven anyways. Usually one's longer than the other. This one's usually curved up and this one's usually straight out. So if you guys are beginners at using eyeliner, I do recommend a felt tip. It is a bit easier than liquid, just because this is, you don't have to keep on dipping it into the product to use it, and it's just all right here. And I would just say keep on practicing. I know mine's not the best right now, but it is better than what I started with. I started out using, what's it called? I used a pencil eyeliner to do my wing for the first time. So just keep on practicing and eventually you will get it. So that is the eyeliner. And for mascara, I'm going to be using the LA Colors Lash Building Mascara from Shop Miss A. So it's just in black. It was $1. So let's just apply this. I really like this so far. So let's see how it holds up. Ooh, that's taking a while to dry. Okay, yep. I don't know if you can see on my hands, but I just touched my eyelashes and they're still pretty wet. So it is a wetter mascara. I do like mine a bit more dry just because I feel like it holds into my eyelashes better and it doesn't droop my eyelashes anymore. So let's see how well that goes. And while that dries, let's do the last thing, which is lip colors. So I got two. One in the shade Likes and the other in the shade Extra. These are both from AOA Studios, so they're both $1, so it's $1 each. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do. This one's like super peachy, so I might do that one just because of my lip color. But this one's also really pretty. I don't know which one to do. Let's just try both of them out. So let's do the darker one first, just so this one doesn't stain as much. So let's just try this. This is the Wonder Matte Liquid Lipstick, and I've heard a lot of good things about this, that they're actually like really, really good quality liquid lipsticks. Our pop one. So let's see how this applies. So this is the shade Extra. I really like this. It's not too sticky, but still drying down a little bit. This is more of a purpley mauve color for your lips. It's not as vibrant as I thought it was gonna be, so maybe this one won't be as vibrant, but I really like this. This is a very neutral color. I can wear this out. Probably people wouldn't even notice. So let's take this one off and do Likes to see if it's that bright or not. Let's do this one. Ooh, this one's bright. Let's see. This is the shade Likes. So I definitely like Extras better. I feel like I keep on having to dip the wand into the product though for both of them. They're not my favorite, and this one is like super streaky. I really like the color, but I kept on applying it and kept on just like taking it off. Usually when you put lipstick on, you go like this to rub it around, but every time I seem to do that, it just seemed to take off product from my top lip. So you really have to work with this to get it on, but once you get it on, it's really pretty. I really like it with this look. So yeah. So this is the look I created for under $35. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you do. Subscribe to my channel down below. And leave me a comment down below if you want me to do more of these full face first impression sort of deal. If there's any brands you want me to do, any, I don't even know what else. But if you have any suggestions, leave it down below for me so I can see them and I will possibly do them in the future if somebody leaves me a comment down below. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, amazing week. If not, I hope it gets better. I love you guys so much and I'll see you on Saturday for a brand new lifestyle video. Bye!